Philosophy is a search for wisdom, a way of looking at life that helps us ask deeper questions about truth, morality, and existence. Let's begin with Socrates, the father of Western philosophy. His perspective was simple yet powerful. To question anything, using the Socratic method, he asked questions not to give answers, but to help others think critically. For Socrates, an unexamined life was not worth living. His approach teaches us to challenge assumptions and seek clarity in our beliefs. Centuries later, Immanuel Kant offered a different perspective. Kant focused on morality and a reason emphasizing that our actions should not be guided by personal gain, but by universal moral laws. He believed we should act only in a ways we would want everyone else to act. In short, do the right thing simply because it is right. From Socrates' questions to Kant's moral duty, philosophy gives us tools to reflect, reason, and live with the greater meaning. Their ideas remind us that wisdom begins with a questioning and continues with responsibility. Thank you.